guys. Hindi niyo pa na
Ano ordering mo?
chicken tapos sausawan ng chicken. For video guys, I know that. Guys, dito ba na kayo? Ano on? Saan? Doon ba guys? Hindi po guys. Seriously. Siyempre naman maganda na. Sumili agad. Maganda guys, diba? Bagsa. Flower time is done. And how is it? Morning. Ito na yung hello. And vloggers. Hello guys. And nakalak yung pintuan. Tingnan mo lang guys. Nakalak guys. Hindi nyo pa na ayan, nakalak. Tingnan mo. Diba guys? Pusin mo lang.
A few moments later.